nature, I want to show you something really quick. This is a wire mesh colander, and you've seen it in your kitchen to rinse off vegetables. It has two other uses that are very handy. You take the colander, you put it down over top of your cell phone, your devices that you want to protect from EMP, electromagnetic pulse. You clip a ground wire to the colander, and you clip this to any ground source, a pipe going into the ground, or the center lug on an outlet, the center lug where the screws into the outlet. You test it to see if it tests positive as a ground. Then you clip this on, and you've got what's called a Faraday cage that will protect your cell phone and other devices. Now, I have to tell you, the phone will object if it's turned on, left on, because it can't get a signal to the cell tower to update itself. So you'll hear it beep that it's getting an error message. So it's best to just turn your devices off, put your little homemade Faraday cage over your devices. Get used to doing that, because it's a cheap $10 fix to keep your devices from getting shorted out in the case of an EMP. There are other videos that explain what an EMP is. I won't go into that. The other thing that this is good for is you can make what's called a parabolic antenna. And the way that you make this into a parabolic antenna is you take 75 ohm coaxial cable and you strip the cable out with the center pointing into the middle here. And then you solder the ground part, the outside sheath, to this. And you've got yourself a quick and easy satellite antenna or parabolic antenna in just a few minutes using 75 ohm coaxial cable. So that's my hack of the day. It's very easy. It's very necessary if you want your electronics to survive what's coming in the future, which is all sorts of electrical weaponization of electrical things that mankind has done to ourselves. And ironically enough, I forget where it is. It's over in the Middle East somewhere. They found the remnants of a mechanical computer that's thousands of years old. It's a gear set, and it perfectly meshes so that when you want to calculate something, it was part of a mechanical calculating machine. They also have noted that the area is highly radioactive, so they think that very possibly mankind had ascended once before to the technical state that we're in now and wiped ourselves out once before. Pop out.